My name is Luke from Click4Assistance, and today I'll be demonstrating how to create and assign email templates. The email templates are fully customizable using HTML, which gives you the freedom to edit the appearance and content as required. In order to create an email template, you'll first need to navigate towards the Settings module on the left-hand side and select Email Templates as I have already. You'll first need to select the type of email template that you would like to create by using the drop-down and then click on the Add New button in the top left corner. As an example, I'll select the chat transcript email template. This contains the transcript and gets sent when requested by the visitor. The other templates are mostly used for internal purposes, such as the chat surveys completed and offline. Please be aware that you'll need to contact support with the template you would like to customize so that it can be released against your account. You will then need to complete each of the fields in order to create the email template. You'll need a name for your custom template and an email subject line, which will be the subject of the email. Once you've filled out all of the relevant details, you can click Save. As you can see from the From address, it's configured by default to be sent from noreply@click4assistance.co.uk. If you would like the emails to come from your own email address, then you'll need to relay through an SMTP server. Please contact support for more information regarding this. You will then need to populate the email content, whereby you can copy an existing HTML from one of the pre-existing templates. Make sure that you tick the HTML format checkbox and click Save again. Afterwards, you can view the email template in the Preview tab. As we have just created a chat transcript email template, we will need to assign it to an experience by navigating towards the Tools module on the left-hand side and select Chat as I have already. You will then need to click on the Settings button. Once you scroll down, you will see the Email Request option, which will allow you to select your custom email template from the drop-down list. Once you've selected the relevant email template, click the Save button. The chat transcript email will be sent once the chat is stored by an operator. We hope you found this video worthwhile. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us directly, and don't forget to view our many other useful tutorials. Thank you.